definitely feel the age group of 25 to 30 is more intellectual. I feel an intellectual person is the one who can use his intelligence at the right time in the right manner. So a teen definitely is not at the right age to use his intelligence. They are more to be more pressurized by other children to do what is right.
But now the generation is so fast that students are more advanced than the elders.
Yes. That you all feel that because you all are students, you all feel that way. But in reality, that is not the case. I feel a man who has experienced, or a person who has gone through all the phases of life is more intellectual. I feel. You all are just in the threshold of adulthood. So you all have not been through everything.
Miss, that thing only that teachers make the teens that you can't do it anything.
No, we never say you can't do it. We say you just follow your elders. Don't ignore what your elders are saying. Just follow what the elders are saying. We are not saying you cannot do this or you cannot do that.
So what are the consequences of the changes in the body of any teen? They feel very fearful of the changes. So what
I
do you
feel
think?
they are not fearful. They are very anxious about what is happening to them. And like Pavamis said, they should better confide to their parents. And if they feel uncomfortable with their parents, it's better to confide with their friends or with a science teacher. She'll be able to guide them.
Miss, but you tell that friends can give wrong knowledge also.
About body changes, I don't feel friends can give wrong knowledge. You can even confide with your science teacher.
So Miss, what do you think? What are the causes of depression and stress among teens nowadays?
Peer pressure is definitely one of the reasons. Because the children, they don't want to be alienated from a crowd. They feel they have to go with the crowd, and so they are forced to do things which are not morally right, which can lead to depression. Plus, for example, I can give you when they go to college, if they see their friends coming in cars, going to canteens, taking all, if you can't do it, you feel, oh, I'm not a part of that crowd, then you may go into depression. This happens, and that is mainly because of that age. It's not, that's got nothing to do with...
Mainly if any child is in depression, many child are smoking, taking alcohol. We ask them, many children tell that I'm in depression or taking smoking. Why do that happen? Children are taking smoking.
That is just because of peer pressure. Their friends are doing, they just want to imitate what their friends are doing.
What about-
They feel they'll be alienated from them if they don't do all this.
What about suicide?
I don't feel suicide is common in kids. I don't think so.
Nowadays in newspapers, so many news.
That is mainly when the board exams come, you feel exam pressure leads to them, but it's not peer pressure.
No, that's called as they are scared of their parents, what they will do and feel like this.
But I don't feel it's just a hype. I don't feel teens commit suicide. There are many other people also. If you go through today's newspaper as well, the first page indicates a kind of suicide. So I feel it's more common in
Miss,
adults.
questions like where are you going, when will you come, and all this irritate. Do you just
Yeah, this definitely irritates the teens. I feel they don't like anyone keeping a hawk eye on them. They want to live independently. They want to do everything
That
independently.
question can be asked in proper manner also, not like where are you going or something like.
See, as a parent to a child, a parent will not say, no, I should frame my question this way so that the child does not feel insulted. No parent will do that. You are a child to that parent. The parent will not frame the question in a diplomatic manner. Parents will always ask the questions how they have been asking all throughout the years.
Miss, what do you think about sex education?
It is a must, I would definitely say. Like we say, ignorance is bliss, but this ignorance is not bliss. We should know something about that. That too at the right age. Because half knowledge gained is always dangerous. So it's better.
Miss, what do you think about the topic we have selected?
It's very relevant in today's context, I feel. Teens, you all are the future generation. So you all go through many problems and all. And I feel the topic is very relevant. Okay.
Would you like to say good wishes for our project?
I wish you all the best for your project. I hope you all, really hope you all win this project.